What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I'm back with another banger of a video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Kaspa just never stops. It never stops going, man. And we have some nice videos for you guys. In this one, we're gonna be checking out Yonatan and some other videos talking about Kaspa's technology, and diving even deeper into the research of the project. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up. Check out the previous Kaspa videos. Got a full playlist on the front page of the channel, guys, so you guys could go through all the previous Kaspa videos if you guys want to go and rewatch those. Right here, front page of the channel. And guys, I'm telling you, I hope y'all didn't fade, man, and I hope y'all won't fade. Say, for example, something happens where it has a correction and there's a nice dip for entry. I hope you guys don't miss that entry, man. I'm obviously not gonna tell you to buy tops, because that's one way to get wrecked in the space. But if there's an entry for you guys, man, and you see a retrace in an entry, hey, I hope y'all take it. I hope y'all do, man. Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Everybody that supports the channel really means a lot. Let's take a look. Cash sitting at 0.45 cent. Just under $1 billion in market cap, sitting at around 900 million. $56 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 28%. Again, the tier 1 exchange listing for Cash. Exchange listings for Cash will be on the way, because exchanges won't be able to ignore this volume, man. I wouldn't be surprised. And you guys see how I don't want to bring up a meme coin, but I do like this meme coin, but that's beside the point. You guys see how Pepe got listed on Binance, and how it was so fast for it to happen because of all the volume, all the hype that was generated for Pepe. And then it didn't get the Coinbase listing because of the controversy surrounding the character, right? There's no controversy surrounding Kaspa at all, right? There's no VCs, there's no sketchy founders, none of that, so Kaspa is squeaky clean, and it got great trade volume, it got great technology. I wouldn't be surprised exchanges list Kas for free, right? I'm sure there won't even have to be like a crowdfunding to get on these tier 1 exchanges. They're just gonna buy Kas and add it to their exchange, right? That's what I really expect will happen in the future for Kas. From Seabass, Kas, have my fiat ready once this dips. Soon we'll see 10 cents, giga bullish. Zeng all, I'm genuinely looking for new projects other than Kas to diversify my portfolio, but none of them are worth selling my Kaspa, so I still hold 100% of my money in Kas. That's how awesome this project is, I'm telling you. Let's see what we got from the CMC community. Mr. Omish, if we still above 4.4, we don't want to see correction, because we will see 8 cents very soon. Logan, it's not Bitcoin season, it's not altcoin season, it's Kaspa season. That is amazing stuff, man. Overflow, now people start waking up on Kaspa. If you miss Bitcoin, I hope you will not miss Kas this time. Satoshi Nakamoto. Silva, special token growing fast. And Daniel, I'm bullish on Kas, man. And right here, guys, from ER, we got a few videos here from Yonatan and others speaking about Kas with his P2P electronic cash. This is the title which I entered the space. The hashtag, guys, is obsessed with Satoshi and Bitcoin's original vision. So let me pull the tweet up so I could maximize each video. Hold on, my apologies, guys. Let's start with the first one right here. Let's take a look. This is Yonatan, founder of Kas, and he's speaking with someone speaking about the protocol, guys.
Taking it lightly to invent another coin. This is where the importance of community comes in. I wasn't very comfortable with pushing, selling coins. We didn't do any ICO, we didn't do any pre-mine, among other reasons. For that reason, it needs to be a community project, not so much for the ideology, but more. This is the way to justify that the project there's a feedback loop and justifies itself, rather than taking it lightly.
It's pretty nice stuff, man. You guys see what he said? It needs to be a community project, so there's this feedback loop. And in my opinion, the biggest projects in the space all have great communities. Like, you can't name me a project in the space that doesn't have people constantly on social media, constantly making content on said project. You can name it out, there's a community there. Like, that's why, you know, crypto is so tribal, right? Because even like projects like Litecoin, Cadena, you know, all the Cas competitors, Solana, Ethereum, there's all of these projects have like a set, like their own maxis. If you think about it, all of them have their own maxis. And with Cas, it's completely like community focused, decentralized. Yonatan, it doesn't have like you know, some special insider situation where, you know, similar to the ETH Foundation, where they have just so much of the supply. It's not the same here with Kaspa.
Is first
got a next video. The next video, hold on.
Is first to do correctly or more optimally Satoshi's work.
Okay, thanks. And now,
hear what he said.
Is first to do correctly or more optimally Satoshi's more optimally Satoshi's work.
More optimally Satoshi's work, guys.
At least
that's why Kaspa was created, to be the better Bitcoin, right? To improve what Satoshi's original vision was, and take it to that next level. Got another video right here. I see Dr. Martin Hisobik talk about Cas a lot, right? And they had a spaces not recently, but they had a spaces with Yonatan speaking as well.
At least I do want to beat Bitcoin to the vision, to the implementation of the vision of peer-to-peer electronic cash. This was the original. This was the title with which I entered the space. You know, the title of the white paper within, which I read and everyone read at that time, entering the space, and this was the vision, right?
Wow, man. Wow, guys. Beat Bitcoin with peer-to-peer electronic cash. That is the vision that Yonatan set out to accomplish with Kaspa. And we could see from all the developments, the speed of Cas.
This is where I would.
The speed of Cas, how it's you know, constantly advancing, just from an open source protocol, right? Any developer could come in and work on the Cas development, and you see how far it's already come, right? 10 BPS testnet and 10 BPS mainnet, maybe even eventually 32 BPS in the future, right? So this is crazy. We got another video.
This is where I would like Kaspa to grow. Again, I would like it to be. I want to see in the market, you know, regardless of Kaspa, I want to see in the market a platform which is based and holds the same system values and fundamentals as Bitcoin, protocol, or Satoshi system.
Wow, that's so amazing, man. His real, like, you could really tell, like, that was when he created the white paper, started developing the protocols for Cas. The goal was, okay, this is what crypto is founded on, with what Satoshi Nakamoto created, but how do we make it more optimal? How do we make it better, right? That's really where Kaspa came from, man.
Protocol, Satoshi system, and being expressive and a contender, and a useful contender in the open financial value proposition. So this is where I want Kaspa to go. So in a sense, it aims to implement a vision which once upon a time was Bitcoin's vision.
Amazing stuff. I hope y'all are finding value in the videos, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. From Wolfie, 9-year-old 4970K machine running Cas Rust testnet 11 at 10 BPS. Masters in High Performance Computing degree was awarded appropriately in my opinion from Michael Sutton. Okay. Shy hashtag congrats. Wow, so a 9-year-old machine is running Cat's testnet right now on 10 BPS. What the heck? What? That is something else, man. That is absolutely insane to think about. Just goes to show, like, again, and remember guys, this is all community devs developing this, you know, and any dev could come in and start working on the CAS protocol because it's open source to make it better, to keep developing it. And if the old machine, the 9-year-old machine, is running the testnet, I'm sure like the mainnet will be achieved in the near future, right? Altcoinist official CAS review: a leap into the blockchain trilemma. The vision behind CAS is to build a Nakamoto-like service that operates on internet speeds to build a system that surpasses the limits of Satoshi's protocol. That's exactly what Kaspa is aiming to achieve. Project overview: fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1. This vision, the vision behind this project is to build a Nakamoto-like service that operates on internet speeds. Fear launch: 10 years of research, the world's first asynchronous consensus mechanism to order the world's first block DAG. 10 BPS, eventually 100 BPS, instant transaction confirmations and near instant settlement, built by industry pioneers, led by the people, completely community run. Yonatan Polinsky here: the best of both worlds, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Since its creation, blockchain technology has been a cause of celebrate in the world of finance, redefining our understanding of digital currencies. However, the blockchain trilemma challenge of balancing security, decentralization, and scalability has proven a tough knot to untie for the crypto community until CAS. That's until CAS. We are taking Nakamoto's proof of work algorithm to the next level by utilizing a block that in practice allows us to speed up the chain more than tenfold. Today we are already 15 times faster than Ethereum, and with optimization we think the technology could get us to roughly 100 blocks per second. Yonatan Sampolinsky, founded by esteemed computer scientist. The base consensus layer of CAS, modeled as Bitcoin proof of work consensus. The Phantom Protocol. This protocol ensures that the cryptocurrency is backed by a 51% security, higher number of mining validator nodes, and boasts a sub-second first confirmation with 10-second fully confirmed transactions. The second layer of CAS, on the other hand, draws from Ethereum's layer 2 smart contract scaling solutions. This layer aims to support Ethereum virtual machines platform and opening new doors for its application in DeFi. Right here, nice image. I'm sure we've seen this image a ton before, and how all these previous protocols have to sacrifice some form of you know, one of these for their protocol to run. You know, in Ethereum case, I would say they're sacrificing decentralization, right? CAS doesn't have to sacrifice any of these for its protocol to be successful. The visionaries behind Kaspa's rise: the Ghost protocol proposed by his project supervisor Aviv Zohar sparked Yonatan's research interests. As seen in the research papers, of all of these projects have used Kaspa's protocol. So when I title a video Filecoin users Kaspa's technology, I am not just clickbaiting. You know, Filecoin is right here. Chainlink, Polkadot, Kyber Network, Monero, ETH, Arbitrum, I think this is FET, Dash, ETH Classic, Cadena, Ergo, you name it. They all use Ghost in their research protocols, and Ghost was created from Yonatan and Aviv Zohar, right? Captain Sats here. Crypto Phoenix speaking of the project. Emission schedule, token distribution we've never seen before. One of the reasons we're incredibly bullish on Cas is its fully decentralized token distribution with no whales, ICO reserves, nor pre-mine allocation. This approach ensures a fair and equitable distribution of tokens, eliminating the risk of market manipulation by large holders, often referred to as whales. And that's why I'm bullish on it as well. And they got a deep dive into Kaspa's technology, from Shy, smart contracts on Cas, the market opportunity. If you compare Cas to ADA, you could get a $4.75 price, 75-cent price. Okay, great stuff, man. Final thoughts. Cas is a groundbreaking crypto set to redefine the digital finance landscape with its unique block DAG architecture and community-centric approach. In a conclusion, with the blockchain trilemma, its unique block DAG architecture, community-driven approach, and fiat tokenomics, this makes it a standout crowded crypto in the crowded crypto space. Kaspa is well positioned to play a significant role in this new era of digital finance. Kaspa is not just another digital coin, it is a technology-driven scalable solution aiming to resolve long-standing issues in the crypto space. For anyone looking to be a part of the future blockchain project, Kaspa is definitely one to watch. Nice article, man. This is from blog Altcoiners with their full review. I suggest you guys take a look at that. You find it on Twitter on the altcoiners.com. Super nice stuff to see. They're very interesting write-up. Obviously, I skimmed through it, didn't go through the whole thing, but yeah, I think I'll end the video off right there. Let me actually read from Traded Up or Down. Thought this was pretty interesting. Cas hit a new all-time high. You love to see it. I have conviction in this project. When I first bought Cas in September, I did my research. Bought at 0.02. Wow. I remember the early spaces with Kaspa, Hype Man, Bubblegum Lightning when it was on TXBit, and maybe another exchange, being super bullish. Having conviction is key to any investment you are willing to hold. With Cas, I felt that. I still feel it's just starting. Sure, there will be dips but that's when we add more top free projects soon. And I'm gonna end the video off right here. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views. I appreciate the support. You guys are the absolute best. Let's keep crushing it with Cas, and I'll catch you in the next one.